Dr. Dyer recommends give yourself some leisure time, have more play time. How many of y'all are playing in your life? Are you have time to do some things that are fun for yourself? Don't overcomplicate your schedule with so many obligatory things that don't inspire you, that don't bring you satisfaction. You know, how many social things people go to because that's what you're supposed to do. But does it inspire you? So, for those of you going to be with your relatives this weekend as we talk about love, back to love, trying to avoid love, but I'm back to love. Just kidding. I remember a transforming time in my life. I was in college. I was reading the Bible for the first time, consciously anyway. And I remember reading, honor your father and your mother. And I thought, this is what I'm asked to do, honor my father and my mother. I'm going to start doing a better job with honoring my father and my mother.